Very good morning to all of you. My dear friends, fellow countrymen, my consular staff, ladies and gentlemen. At the beginning, let me first extend heartiest congratulations on behalf of the CEL, on behalf of the Consulate General of India, on behalf of the Government of India, heartiest congratulations on the 63rd Republic Day of India. As you may be aware, that on the same day, way back in 1950, we adopted our constitution and became a republic. Since then, there has never been looking back, and you will agree with me that within this span of 60 odd years, we have really advanced and we have established ourselves as a power in the world to be reckoned with. Dear citizens, on the eve of our 63rd Republic Day, I convey my warmest greetings to all of you across the country from every walk of life and in different parts of the world. I convey my special greetings to the armed forces and the paramilitary forces who guard our frontiers with great vigil and valor in high mountainous terrains, deserts, and the plains, on the coasts and the seas. I also convey my best wishes to our internal security forces and to our civil services. I compliment all citizens for their contribution to the process of nation building. We are living in a world that is complex and challenging. Forces of globalization have created an interlinked and interdependent world. No country exists in isolation. It is continuously being influenced by external developments. All nations, developed and developing, are facing the impact of global economic instability, as well as problems of unemployment and inflation in varying degrees. Indeed, the 21st century has brought in its trail a host of issues at a breathtaking pace. There are growing aspirations of the people coupled with our expectations of immediate solutions. We are observing an information explosion and ever newer technological inventions. These have altered lifestyles, and there is also a growing quest for materialism. There are persistent questions about how growth and resources will be shared in a more equitable manner. There are worries about the direction in which the human community is heading in this an India where there is equity and justice. We look at democracy, rule of law, and human values as being essential for making our country strong. We want a scientific and technological outlook in our people. We also look towards India as a country which will continue to bring moral force onto the global stage. I believe that there is a unity behind this vision of India, but yet sometimes one gets distracted by discontent, pulls and pressures. How should we proceed to build our nation and its people? I believe that the answer lies in our age-old values, the ideals of our freedom movement, the principles of our constitution, as also in our unity, a positive attitude, and our aspiration to grow. Citizens. Dear citizens, There is tremendous work to be done to move forward on our social and economic agenda if we are to achieve fast, inclusive, and sustainable development growth. Our foremost priority is the removal of poverty, hunger, and malnutrition, disease, and illiteracy. All social welfare programs must be implemented efficiently. Agencies involved in the delivery of services should have a strong sense of duty and work in it. We are also proud of the contributions of the Indian diaspora spread over many countries and across continents to the economic, professional, and political fields of the country where they live. Dear citizens, in conclusion, I would like to say that we must build a strong, prosperous nation based upon a firm system of values. As we remove poverty, let us also enrich our thoughts. As we remove disease, let us remove ill will towards others. As our youth study more and acquire more knowledge, let them also learn to be more involved in activities for the progress of the nation, other than only self-advancement.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sitalam, Shasya Shamalam, Madaram, Vande Mataram, Shuprajotya Pulakitayamini.
Thank you, Rakeshji, and congratulations to all of you on this auspicious day. मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। इसकी मिट्टी से बन
बाप के कांधे झड़के जहाँ
काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, यहाँ दिल से हमारा नाता है। कुछ और नाता हो हमको, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है। जिसे मान चुकी है सारी दुनिया हो, जिसे मान चुकी है सारी दुनिया, मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता